What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. Today it is raining, so there won't be many action shots, but there's going to be an action shot right now, me running through the rain to go do something in the car. I'm going to bring you with me because I can. I don't want to. It's just raining and I have to make sure. Because if you saw, well, Facebook, my Twitter, or my Instagram, you would have seen I took one of the seats out in the Lancer, and I'm just making sure that the bolt holes don't go all the way through to the outside. Which it doesn't look like they do, but I have to be sure, because I don't want to go driving and then water go through. So yeah, as you can see it's wet, and as you can hear it's raining, and I'm gonna turn you around. That is really comfy for a tall person. I am not a tall person, but it's still pretty comfy. And do I have anything else to say? No, not really. Oh yeah. Today, since it's raining, I can't clean any vehicles because I don't exactly have room in the garage to put them in, so no car cleaning. There will be a video on car cleaning though, so stay tuned for that. And there will be an unboxing soon, because I'm about to order something, and I'm about to make a pun, which when you see the title of the unboxing you will see the pun. I got a feeling in my bone that this unboxing video will conduct a lot of views. So yeah, not a lot gonna be happening. I'll probably play some Xbox, probably The Crew, because I really want to finish that. And what else? I'll probably record some video for bowling. Not time-lapse, because that didn't really work. I'll probably just sit in my chair, point the camera up and out, and just record our people's. And I'll probably ask Nick, pre-bowling, do you think we're gonna win? Yeah, I think we're gonna win. Do you think we're gonna win? Yeah! Or something like that. So, yeah, let's see what happens. So, as it turns out, there's no Nick at bowling, so I'm not gonna go, are we gonna win? Are you gonna win? Are we gonna win? Yeah, we're gonna win. That thing, so we're not doing that. We still might do the bowling, not sure. I don't know. We'll see how it plays out. Oh yeah, and a weather update. It's still raining. And it's really, really cold! Really, 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 really flippin' cold. Mother ape ass. Mother ape ass. I still don't understand that. That was from like a Jacksepticeye video. And that song. That song he did. All the Way, I Believe in Steve, I think is what it's called. I was gonna say, that was cell phones for you.
Is anything else needs raking out there? I was extremely nervous.
But you're right, that is Apple for you.
Do I really want to? Was I prepared?
We gonna win? Bowling?
Pacing myself.
Knowing that we're in the handicap right now, I don't know.
Yeah.
No, I think we'll do pretty well.
He was
Yeah.
forthright and honest with me.
Like, it's Nick's not bloody
Two
bowling.
clients from me that
No, just because it's bowling, we normally do it good.
busy, and I took them over without. You brought it up to me.
Let's talk about battery saver mode. I hate Apple because they removed the battery saver mode for like no reason. It's like, you need to save battery, but no, that would never happen now. Your phone's gonna die like really quickly because there's no battery saver mode.
No, you know what's gonna happen now? Apple brand power banks. The iBank.
Huh?
The iBank.
Great. How much is that gonna cost? $1,000?
I was thinking more 5. But that sounds better.
$5 grand.
I don't know, it's Apple.
I've known you for a long time.
I hope you've enjoyed this little vlog. I hope you like the bowling time lapses with the spin win and the spin fail and the James. I enjoyed editing that bit. The bit I didn't enjoy editing was going through the whole 18 minutes of the bowling to get to those chosen clips, and I'm annoyed. Really good songs just come on the Edge TV, and I'm vlogging right now. And I don't want to stop vlogging because I kind of want to finish what I'm saying, but I also want to listen to the song, but I can't because it's vlog, and if it's in the vlog I have to either remove that bit of the song or not monetize my content. The monetizing doesn't really matter, I've done that before, but still. I've heard it like 3 times today, so I can't decide. So yeah, I'm just sitting in front of the fire, editing the vlog, because the plan is to get the vlog edited same day. Perhaps if I click upload to Showbox to edit, and yeah, because if I can get it edited same day, uploaded same day, might work better. Or even if I get it done tonight, so I can just download it off Showbox, then upload it to YouTube as soon as I get out. That's pretty good as well, but we'll see how it goes. So, I hope you've enjoyed it. If you liked it, leave a like down below, leave a comment if you want, and subscribe if you want. Shows that I am being heard, that you guys like the content, and you want to hear more. So yeah, come back to another vlog, come back to a Monday Motivation, click on the card at the top right corner of your screen for the vlog playlist, See you, dude.